Okay, good morning, Najat. Good morning, everyone. It is another candidates debate. It's a candidates debate session 3 on the day 2. We have 6 candidates here. Over to Nushiba ma'am, head of the LKG and UKG department. I request Nushiba ma'am to invite the candidates for their introductions. Over to Nushiba ma'am.
Yes, sir. Good morning, Najat. Here I'm very happy to welcome our candidates to this debate. Dear candidates, it's a golden chance for you to show your best. So let me invite our first candidate, Rima. Rima,
Yes, miss. Hi, all. Good morning. Okay, how are you all? I think all are fine. So, myself, Prima, and I'm standing for the position of head girl, and my symbol is an umbrella. So, I know all these children have very. All of you can please on your video and mute your voice and on your video. I can see. I want to see all are little angels. Can you? Sir, is it possible for?
Yes, you can request them. No problem.
Okay. Can you open your video? Anyone? I don't see anyone opening. I think no one is there.
Yes, Nazan's
So
open, Alishba opened, Ilfa opened,
uh,
Nisha opened, Fahmin opened.
I can't see that. Maybe mic is mute. That's why I can see them. Okay. Anyway, all are little angels. I was very excited on seeing all of you. And I don't know how to conversation between us because you are little ones. Maybe this program will be a very beautiful one ever I have seen. So you all want to cast your vote for me. I know so many talented persons are there in between this. So we want to. I think all of you like to be going to school. You're missing your school, isn't it? You want to interact with your friends. You want to see your teachers. All are missing, I think. So we want to in our home itself. We want to stay in our home itself because of this situation. So I think this program will be a very beautiful one. So let's start the program. And once again, myself Rima, and I'm standing for the position of head girl. You all want to cast your vote for me, and my symbol is umbrella. Thank you.
thank you, Rima. Thank you for your words. Next, I would like to welcome Muhammad Shahim. Shahim, are you there?
Hi everyone, I am Muhammad Shahim from class 10. I am here for standing for head boy position and my symbol is laptop. Uh, you can
Hi, Barry. Hi, Miss Barry.
Ma'am, please call next one. I request all the
Okay.
participants, those who are switching on the mic, you have to just switch on your video also. Speaking without video is not allowed here. All the participants. Over to next participant.
Okay. Now I call upon Muhammad Agil. Agil?
Yes, miss.
Yeah.
Hello, my dear friends. How are you? Yeah. Good morning to all. My name is Muhammad Agil. I am studying ninth. As you all know, I am a candidate participating to election 2K21. I am standing for a boy. You all want to vote for me. My symbol is pen. Thank you.
Thank you, Agil. Next, I welcome Rania Naushad to introduce herself. Rania?
Yes, miss. Thank you.
Yes.
So a very good morning to NEMS. So here I'm very happy to see many little ones and very happy faces here. So I think most of you may already know me because we have already conducted two debates. So then also let me introduce myself. My name is Rania Naushad and I'm a student studying in our NEMS since my KG sections. And as you all know, I'm one of the contestants who are participating in our NEMS e-contest of our 2K21. So my symbol is cake. When we mean by a cake, we know that there will be maybe many baker mummies and papas will be here. They know the effort of making a cake, but it needs time, patience, creativity, hard work, everything. But the final result will be very sweet, sweet as like we also want to be follow this in our life. So before telling that you all have to vote for cake, I have to say that why you all have to vote for our cake, because our parents and little ones all are confused that to whom I can vote and who will be providing a very best opportunities for our children. And most of our parents will be wishing for a well developed school. So here I will be telling, if I were you, I were in this position of you, I will be thinking that I want a person a head girl who will be providing a very good support and who can make some changes and who will be developing our school. So in my case, my aim is 100% development of our school. So as we all are human beings, our creativities are endless, and our aims such as our offers are endless. As like it, our offers are also endless. For example, if nowadays any of them are having PT period, our students, little ones mostly like to have PT period. Are you having it last year and this year?
No.
Yeah, I think it is no, because while we have changed it into online, many of our students are missing the opportunities we get in our school. So I think we have to bring back a PT period, for example, by our Google meeting, etc. Because we also have to maintain our physical also. Is it right? Yeah, we have to.
Yes.
Yes, we have to maintain our body also for a better health, because health is always wealth. So I think, for example, there and for example, we are not having any sports competition. We are not having any arts, and we are not getting library periods, etc. So each and every field we have to bring some changes. We have to bring developments, and I think you can choose me as a better option for that. And also I have to say you, or I have to share one of the code which is made by me in last week myself with my own ideas, that if you are voting for a person who can make some changes, then you are making changes. So all of you please try to make some changes, and all of you please give your vote for a person who can make a changes, and a person who really worth it, who really proves that your one vote have a great value. So please vote for me, please vote for cake. Thank you, have a nice day.
Thank you, Rania. Now it's turn for Leah Fatima. Leah?
Leah did not join yet. She is not attending the call.
Okay, what about how Abdul Hadi is available?
Hadi also is not available.
Okay, so over to principal.
Thank you so much, Nushipa ma'am, to give a good start to the program, and also candidates available here. Yes, so it is a, this session is going for we are just opening this particular platform for all the parents, teachers, and students of KG department to have the questions with our candidates. Dear friends, uh, see, some of the parents and some of the candidates have asked me one thing. Sir, is it possible to communicate with the little children of Najat English Medium School in English language? I told them we have to find out, we have to find out a good way. We have to find out a good method to interact with these children. Anyway, I'm sure they will be enjoying this session. We have to make them enjoy this session. And one thing I have to suggest the candidate that you have to just make sure that you are just yes posting your picture in their mind. That's all. In the candidates list, when they see when they're just going through the Google form of voting, I mean our e-voting system. When they open the e-voting system, they should I mean your picture should come in their mind. That is the only target you can do right now. So you can do your own ways. You can do it in your own way. That is up to your creativity, and it is also a testing for you. It is just another challenge or task for you to convince the very little children of our school in our own official language, right? And over to the participant, uh, teachers or students. Shall we start the program? Come on, everybody, all of you, please say hi. KG students, please switch on your mic and say hi.
Hi.
Yes.
Hi.
Hi.
Yes.
Hi.
Ajwa. Yes. Zayan. Muhammad Ali. Chella. Zain.
Hi. Hi.
Let us take one by one. Switch on your video also. Right.
Hi.
Video.
Hi.
Ahila. Yes.
Hi. Hi.
Yes.
Hi.
Very good.
Hi. Hi.
Switch on your video also. Parents, please.
Hi.
Yes. Yes.
Hi. 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 Hi.
Thank you.
How are
Thank
you?
Thank you. We are fine. Thank you, all students. Thank you for switching on your audio and saying a hi. Thank you. Yes, please switch on your video and keep it switching on. And from over to participant, you can ask question now.
Okay.
If you want if you want to ask any question to the candidates, you can ask the question. Yes.
Microphone.
Who is going to ask the question? Any teacher from KG department? Any parent? Yes, let us start.
Sir, Rania? Rania's
Yes,
question.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah.
In our online classes,
Can you explain sports? Are you telling about sports? Actually, I didn't hear. Can you please
Yes, ma'am.
repeat that?
yes,
Yes. Please
Sports.
ask it. Please ask it. Please clarify that. I didn't get your question, Nusrat ma'am. I think you have some network issues. Nusrat ma'am, please open your audio and ask the question to the participant.
yes, sir.
Ma'am,
Yes, sir.
please ask the question. I didn't get the question. We didn't get the question. Please, can you please repeat the question?
Sir, only songs.
Rania, am I audible?
Actually, means, can you type it? Actually, it is audible, but Nusrat ma'am,
Okay.
I think it is not audible. Can you please type it?
Okay, so we can move to next participant. Any others have questions to the candidates? You can ask it now.
I'm Nessi Ramesh from LKG, teacher of LKG. Thanks to everyone for giving me such an opportunity. My question is, what will you do to find more happiness when they come to school? Clear?
Actually, while not coming to the school or offline, are you telling about offline class, miss?
Yes, offline class.
Okay. Actually, we have happiness will be there if only students are interested for learning. So we have to make the learning more and more interesting. Actually, if for example, if my teacher is not at all asking about me, not at all telling any words to me, only teaching and go, I will not have such a reaction. But for example, when we while my teacher is somewhat more active and my teacher is always asking how are you, what about the day, so we will have some more activeness and we will be somewhat more interested to studies. And if teachers are making also about students friends and its environment also matters, so students need most of these factors to have a happy learning. So I hope we must have to give all these factors for our students to have a happy learning and to have a very happy school life. I think so.
Okay.
Can you repeat the question?
What will do to find more happiness when they come to school?
Happiness is all when we are all together in school, when we are playing with the friends, talking with the teachers, a friendly manner. If a teacher smile, that will be the more when we seeing teachers and that smile, that will be that day full. We have a bright. So we want the interaction between the teachers and the students with a friendly manner. No matter what is the class they are, from KG to 10, they need a friendly manner. So all our teachers have that type. So I'm not telling our teachers don't have that behavior, but they all have that behavior. So I think teachers are the first one who make everyone happy. So like Rania said, to interest in studies, we need our help from teachers and also friends. So teachers are the first one who want to be a very friendly manner and very care like a friend. Okay, like a friend. They want to be like a friend and they want to inquire everything with our students about their families and about their studies, all things. And then I think just a smile is enough for the students. That's it. Thank you, Miss, for this question.
I'm Nubla Miss from UKG. My question is, what will be done to develop the artistic and athletic skills of the children?
Actually, I think for developing, we need practice and we want to give more and more opportunities. For example, if my teacher is telling that all of my students have to try something for our for a particular program, something drawing or etc., that each and every student may have just to give a try. So we must have to give so many opportunities. Nowadays, we are having many clubs and others. So we have to first we have to give so many opportunities. Then we have to support the persons who are willing to do something, and then we have to make them into the gain point. And also, I think, for example, in our sports also, practicing is must and it is very important. So with the support, with the willing mind, a willing mind can do anything, as my teacher already told. So they can reach in any level of life. So supporting is needed and they have to get many opportunities to improve their skills, and they must practice it also. Practicing is very improvement, very much for improvement. So I think these are the things which we have to do to develop our students willing mind and their skills.
I think our encouragement, we want to encourage our students for silly matters also. Whatever they're doing with just a silly, for example, when they are we are online classes, so we can't do as much. But whatever we want to do in online classes, that is the first one is encourage them more and more. We want to support them for their every single actions that make them happy. So we when we are encouraging and supporting them and inspiring them, they will have a mind that yeah, I can do it also. So I think that is the first thing we want to do. We want to encourage them for their any single things, and that makes them happy and that makes them to do anything that make them like without any fear. They can do anything, and they will be in their mind. They will be saying, "Yeah, I have a support from my parents. I have support from my teachers. So everyone is supporting me. So I can do it. Then there's no other can defeat me." That mind is there. So it is a good way. We want to encouraging them. That's my opinion.
Okay, Rima, I am Hiba. Hiba is from KG section. What will you do when you win the election? Your first thing you do for our school, for the improvement of our school.
So, my first priority is always for the students. Okay, if I win the election, my first priority is always for the students. Their needs, what they need, that is my first priority. And teacher asked me about the school. Then school, according to our school, students are the strength of the school. So when we our encourage and when we develop our students skills and things, we can say that school has a completely developed. So I think the students, their skills, their talents, all this we want to develop by what I already told about mentioned that we want to encourage them. And secondly, when I win the election, I will if these offline classes, we can improve our environmental without what we can say reducing the plastic usage, and we want to plant more trees. And students, I think in our schools there are gardens are there, but I don't know currently, but I think that's all are made by students or teachers, that I don't know. But if it is students, that will be better, because students, they have to experiences about, they will be excited to seeing every day that their plants are growing. So we'll be excited to see my plant every day morning, like in our home. We are also like that. Every day we are checking our plants, how much it grows, and like, so it is a good way planting more trees in our schools by students itself, making a mini garden in there, like that. So it will increase the environmental things, and also it will be a clear, fresh air we will get, a clear atmosphere will be there. So that's we can do for the school. Another thing is we want to increase our pride over school by developing our students. By if it is student, they are very brilliant in running, something like, and some other students are just below of them, but not as much of that student, but just below them. We want to encourage that student, and we will be getting that student up to the first prize got student. So by developing the skills of students, we can do as many as our school we can.
Zayan Hussein,
Okay, very good.
Zayan
Very
Hussein
good,
is
Rima.
showing his. Thank
Thank
you.
you, Mr.
So, dear friends, we are moving to an activity by the candidates. My question is to candidates. Uh, I hope you are all gone through the stage of LKG and UKG in your life. Am I right? All
Yes,
five.
sir.
Okay. So, remembering the KG life, I mean, going back to the KG life, that is actually a world of rhymes, world of songs, world of drawing pictures and everything. Can you please just perform or otherwise sing a rhyme you had practiced during your KG days right now for our KG children? Don't say yes, so you have to perform it in front of them. So, dear friends, let us listen to a beautiful rhyme by our candidates, which they learned when they were studying in our school in the KG session.
We studied so many rhymes because we only our favorite rhymes. Most of the students will be Tinkle Tinkle Little Star. I hope so. Is
Yeah,
it?
you can do that.
Yeah.
Yes.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Thank you.
Very good, very good. Next participant.
Mine was a, I don't remember correctly, but I will try.
Yes.
Jack and Jill, I think. Jack and Jill went up to the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came trembling after. That's it.
Okay, okay, thank you.
In my
Next
KG period, I heard a song that Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa, eating sugar, no, Papa, telling lies, no, Papa, open your mouth, ha, ha, ha.
Adi.
I don't remember this full. I only know like little words. It was a very fun one. It's like Baba Black Sheep. Then I don't remember it fully.
Try to remember something.
Yes, sir. If you give me a moment, I'll try to remember it.
Okay, okay, okay. I will
Have
give
you
you some
any
time.
role?
Next, yes. Who is this? Akhil, are you here? Where is Akhil?
Sir.
Yes. Song, please. Sing a song. Sing a rhyme. Otherwise, our KG students will do that for you. They will teach you how to sing that song beautifully now. Akhil.
Sir, I got it now. It's like Baba Black Sheep. Have you any wool? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 3 bags full. One for the master, one for the lane, one for the little boy who live by the live by the lane, like that.
Okay, nice. So, any KG students are interested to sing the song?
Yes.
Okay. Fella, can you sing that?
Yes.
Fella,
Baba Plexi, have you in the wool? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 3 bags. One for the mother, one for the day, one for the
yes. Very
Yes,
good. All of you,
super.
please give a clap. Yes, very good.
That was nice.
Thank you for
Yes, anyone?
Dara.
one.
Vanya tate.
Yeah, happy and happy.
Yes.
Yes, I am three school. One
One more.
mama, my name. Thank you. The happy Papa hat.
If you're happy, so can you please sing it again, Aisha, Fiza? That is beautiful.
Good.
Very good, very good. Shaza Yusuf,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
please sing that song again.
Baba Black Sheep.
Baba Black Sheep have you known? Yes, sir, the river's full. Why now? My for my master, my own name. Thank you all.
Okay, good.
Oh,
That was
super.
nice.
Yeah.
Actually, one more student I think.
Yes, three, one for a master, one for a way, one for a little boy.
Yes, that was cute.
Very good, Ajiva. Very good. Very good, all of you. I hope you are enjoying this session, right? So we are in a debate, but actually, for some time, we have just forgotten we were in a debate. We are in an entertainment program by the KG students. I'm happy that. Yes, moving to another question. Is there any other questions to be asked to the candidates? Please ask it, parents, teachers, or students.
Hi all.
Yes, madam. Please ask.
I am Zaina Fatima's parent. She is studying in LKGB. I have a question to ask. What is the role of a head girl or a head boy in disciplining a child in your school?
Very good.
Actually, I think that was a nice question, a unique question, because I think none of them answered us like, I think we have to teach every good manners, every good habits, and we have to show every good manners, good habits. We have to be a role model for them, for showing. If a parent is washing every day, for example, when you can just think about a baby girl I have in my house, baby boy or girl, when her mother is always having a prayer every day, then the girl also will have to try to do so. They will be repeating. So while when their surroundings means their parents, teachers, their friends, they are doing as a role model, teaching. They are showing the discipline for good disciplines for their children. Then surely we can expect that discipline from their children also. I hope so. That was a unique question. I think I didn't heard any questions like this as in any debate session. We have already completed two, but I didn't get any. So that was a nice question.
Other
I have
candidates
to say
also
that
can.
Thank
the
you, thank
children
you.
they learn from their surroundings, and
Uh-huh.
as I want to become a role model for them also. I hope I can do this.
As you all know, we are to teaching a small skill like a stressful one. As I'm teaching my brother, little brother also, why he's not studying so much fast? Why he's we are stressful to teach us little ones. So because they are not disciplined, there was not what we can say. There's not to sit when we said to sit here, they will go to there, like opposing things that we want to know. We want to be very patient and calm. So I think teaching a student is a very, very, very hard thing. I don't know why how LKG teachers are managing all this. And I think we want to be our parents, our teachers, all are this calm and quiet behavior. So when we our elder ones, elder sisters or brothers or younger ones are studying from the elder ones. So if they have the same behavior like that, then they will also be like they will study like to become like them. So I think if they have elder ones, they have this behavior, then sure, these students, these small children will have the same behavior to be a disciplined one. So we all want to be. I think if I become a head girl, I also be a very good disciplined one, and I will try to manage all this.
Oh, thank you all for answering my question. I want to ask one more question. What are the most critical things you would do to accelerate your school growth?
Actually, I think the most critical thing we have to do is that if we have to do something, we may have many struggles, many problems in front of us, especially starting troubles. I think but while we are doing something, we may have a starting trouble. We have a good idea, but we don't know how to say that, how to express that, or we don't know how to make it come true. So we have to manage our starting troubles. Just if we have to do it today, do it now itself, because we don't want to wait anyone. Don't want to think what others may think. We have to start many. If we have many inventions or anything, we can just start and we can overcome the struggles and we can finally reach into the success, and we can do that. We can finally say that our school is 100% developed. So I think that's one of the critical thing we have to face. And thank you for asking. That was a nice question and unique also.
Okay, thank you all. Good luck for your election. Have a great one. Thank you all. Good luck, candidates.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, children and parents. If there is anyone left to ask more question, you can ask it now to the candidates. So now I would like to see, we would like to see the pictures. Is there anything drawn by the students of KG students? I think some students are engaged, already engaged. We can see in the video some students are drawing something, some students are writing something and all. Especially Zayan Suhail, I think he is very busy there. Did you see? You can just pin his video. We can see that. Zayan Suhail is. Hello, Zayan Suhail, are you here? Zayan Suhail.
Yeah, yes,
Hi.
sir.
Hi.
Hi,
How are you?
I am fine.
Okay. Can you show
Hi, sir.
what are you drawing there?
Yeah.
Can you show that slide? It's a digital slide there. Yeah. Good.
Yeah, very good.
Wow. Very nice. So, is there anyone like it? Like you can, if you have drawn a picture or written something on your book or slide, you can show it in the video.
സാർ വിട്ടതൊന്നും ഞാൻ കണ്ടില്ല സാറേ.
Yeah. Yeah. Right. And Fella Fatima also has drawn something and on her. You show that. Fella. Hi, Fella.
Hi.
What is that?
Hi.
Yeah. What's on your hair? What is on your head? Like a rabbit's hair, I think. Looks so nice. Beautiful.
Cute little rabbit.
Yeah. Fatima Nesha also has a rabbit.
Thank you.
Fatima Nesha, please switch on your audio. Fatima Nesha or the Neshwa, sorry.
Yeah, she's
Thank you, fella. Thank you, fella. Neshwa, hi.
Yes.
How are you, baby?
Hi, I am fine.
Yeah, you look so beautiful today. Good. Then who are the others?
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Aisha Fanna, right here. Aisha Fanna, how are
Yes,
you?
sir.
What are you doing there? Are you eating something? Are you writing?
Yeah.
No, okay. Okay, you have okay. Do you know what is voting? Okay. Panna, do you know what is voting?
Yes.
What is voting? Tell me what is voting.
Voting.
Yes.
Yeah,
Dear, another friend. Please switch on your video, dear parents, if you're, so that I can show them. Yeah, Fadil Zayan. Yeah. Hi, Fadil. Yes. What are you doing, man? Oh, you have pen on your shirt.
Nothing.
Please show me that. You have a pen on your shirt, I think. You have pinned a pen.
Pencil.
Pencil, okay. Very good. Please show me if you
How
have any
are you,
points.
sir?
I'm fine, thank you. Thank you so much. Ayman K. Ayman. I can't see your face properly. Ayman K.
Hello, sir.
Yes, hello. Hi. How are you, man?
I am fine. Thank
Okay.
you.
Yeah. Okay. Ajwa is showing us something in her hand. Yes, some puzzle blocks. Azwa, please switch on your audio, then all the others can also see the, yeah, good. Blocks are there, yeah, it's very nice, my favorite thing. Good. Thank you, Ajwa and Ajwa's parents.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, dear teachers, students, and parents, if you have anything to ask to the candidate, you can ask it now. Ribi Sherwin. Your names are so strange, very nice name. Ribi Sherwin. I think she has a network issue.
How are you, sir?
I'm fine, Ayman. Thank you for asking. You can ask the candidate also. Do you know candidate? Do you know leaders? Ayman? You know
Yes,
the
sir.
name? Aisha, Aisha, do you know leader's name? Who
Yes,
knows that?
sir.
Tell me the names of
I
leaders.
know.
Tell me, Fella, you know the
Manya.
then
Priyamma.
yeah, very good.
Rania.
Next, we have 6 leaders here. Can you tell me, anyone can you tell me the names of leaders? Ryan Najib is that. Ryan Najib, please switch on audio also. You are in a good
Yes,
background. Yes, how are you?
I am fine.
Okay. Please ask a question to the candidates. How are you, like that? Do you know names of candidates? Do you know names of our leaders?
Can you miss ABCD? Is
Very good question. Can you tell? Is it question? Do you want to hear ABCD from our candidate?
ABC. ABC.
Very good question. Over to candidate. Please read the all the letters from A to Z.
Fine.
I want to
A,
hear whether
B,
you know ABCD.
C, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Very good.
That was a cute question asked by them.
Nice.
I think
Ryan,
there is store.
Ryan, was there any problem?
do you like it?
No. Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, let us ask Rima also. Right, Ryan? Let us check Rima knows or not.
Okay. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N P L M N P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Well,
Good.
is it okay?
Yes.
You want to check it if there's any wrong is there.
Yes,
You
others
want
also
to
please check whether they
tell
are making any mistake.
sing a song ABCD. Ryan, can you sing?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Oh, super, super. Very good.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
wait.
Other candidates, please.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N P L M N P Q R S T Q R S T U V W X Y Z. I feel like a song. That's why many letters are repeating. I don't know fully without repeating.
Very nice.
Very nice. You got a congrats. You got an appreciation also. Hey, Adi, please try.
Sir. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z.
Oh, he gives you a thumb in the video. As Akhil gives clap also. Right. What Akhil?
Yes, sir. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N P Q R S T T U W X Y Z.
How was it, Ryan?
Yes. No good. No good.
Very good.
Ryan, are you happy?
Yes.
Are you happy? Okay, very good, super.
Very good question and very good performance by all candidates. Okay. Then who is going to ask next question? You can ask them to sing, draw, write, or read, speak. You can ask any questions.
Sir,
Okay.
I would like to ask a question to Rania. Just you imagine you are the leader of our school. What will be your first moment? Why?
Actually, my first moment will be always to make students accept online class, because when the future changes, the time changes, we also have to move with that time. We have to be flowing with that time. So we have to accept the changes, and we have to make our students to feel as like offline class, as like having a great interaction between them, as like having so fun as much as offline class. That is our aim. That will be my first aim. None of our students must be gotten bored because of online class. Everyone, or radiation or stress, nothing. Everyone must be happy, with happy face, sitting in front of teachers. They all have to see their friends at the same time while they are opening their video. And as like we have to do everything as very funny, very happily we have to do it. And nowadays we are getting the chance for screen sharing. So last year, before last year, we are only getting smart class. Everyone was happy with that smart class. Is it right?
Yes.
So nowadays we are getting a chance for, yes. Nowadays we are getting a chance for having smart class every day. Otherwise we will be having a small chances. So by that we can make our learning more interesting. So I think our most necessary thing is that we have to make our students accept our online class, because we have to change according to the situations. We will be very happy to go with online class, and other than that we will be much more happy while opening our school. So I hope every pandemic condition will be over soon. We can pray for that. So let's open it after. So I think that will be my first step for our students. And any students have any suggestions, you can always tell to me, because I will always make your interest as a priority. So I hope this is my first step. Thank you.
Thank you, Rania. All the best.
Thank you, dear.
Can you sing?
Yes, is there anyone is having any questions?
Hello, sir. I have a question.
Okay.
Shall I ask?
Yeah.
Okay. When our little kids are participating in co-curricular activities, how you are encouraging them?
Actually, I think if a student can do anything, but we have to encourage them also, because if they have something, if they have a little bit, or if they don't have, we have to encourage them. If they have any little bit interest on that, we have to encourage as much as possible. We have to say that yes, you can do it. You are the best. We can encourage and motivate them by telling that, and we want to help them by for practicing it. And I think doing all this thing will be always giving a better result for our little ones. Actually, every students may be like every things to do extracurricular activities. I think Bang is going on.
Okay, let us stop for some time.
Hello.
So I think and giving opportunities is very important. Nowadays we are having a thank to our beloved ones for that. We are having IT club, many clubs. So we have to make them also proud for talent because none of our students, none of the children, none of the babies are born without any talent. Each of them have any one talent in this world. So we have to find their talent and then we have to make it a success and then we have to support them to chase their dreams and then we have to see show them what the real success is. So I think if someone have an interest, so then we can do them to make them very successful for their interest. So I think that's very needed. Thank you.
Okay, good answer.
Okay, dear students, our another candidate Liana has joined now, and we will be giving them Liana and Abdul Hadi also a chance for introduction. Both of them came late, that is why. First, Liana, please.
So how many times does we have to introduce ourselves?
Yeah, 3 minutes. You can take 3 minutes. You can take.
Hello,
3 minutes.
dears. I'm one of her, and my symbol is book. And This name. Not what?
I think your voice is breaking, Liana. Maybe some issues. Please check it.
So now okay.
Yeah, it's getting okay.
Hello, dears. How are you? I think you are fine. And as myself, I am Leah Fatima. I am studying next standard. I am standing in the position of her. And my symbol is book. So everyone want to please vote for me. Okay. I Mundo. What do you say?
No, you continue. You continue.
And when you have any issues, you can contact me. I am here for you. And no more. Thank you. I'm sorry for late. Very sorry.
Okay, Hadi. If Abdul Hadi is available, you can just give you an introduction. Okay, otherwise let us wind up the program. Is anyone is having any questions to be asked to the candidates? Any more questions, dear parents or students? Please
Sir, I
unmute your-
have a question.
Yeah.
I'm Aisha Fiza's mom.
Yeah.
I have a question regarding the co-curricular activities. Being a new parent to the academics, I want to know how are you planning to conduct co-curricular activities, especially sports and all?
Actually, I think we are trying to conduct our arts by online as maybe we are using Google technological platform as like a Google platform, Google Meet or as like Zoom or anything. And we will be choosing it. And if your children or if your daughter, son have any interest, you can openly say that my daughter want to have such a program, but it is not here. So we want this. So you can say like this and we will be giving opportunities to bring that program also. In case of sports, I have a plan that we are conducting due to online because I think offline is better for sports. Anyways, offline is better. But I think if we are having a condition like a pandemic, so that time we will be online. As for example, there will be many applications like chess, for chess, ludos, and many other applications are there. So we can easily make teams from there. We can easily make houses. Yeah, maybe we will there will be houses. 4 houses are there actually for us. Last year we didn't have any, but this year we will be planning for that. We will be bringing houses. We will be having very good competition spirit, and we will be very well. We will be doing our arts, sports, all other extracurricular activities. So I think that we can do in a better option. If it is offline, we can do more better than that. So anyway, we can expect everything going well in the best way. We can select the best way for that. So I think that's the answer. Thank you. Thank you for asking.
We can conduct these sports like things in through online itself. Actually, there are so many things where in it online also we have so many things for sports. Not as like the offline classes, but we will at least conduct the sports for the students. So they want need enjoyment in it. So we need to conduct sports at least. Arts are I think if I become a head girl, arts will conduct sports. If it is an offline classes, we will do very happily. But it is in online class, so we can do indoor games then outdoor like we want so many applications team by team. We can do so many games, and we want to encourage our students for participating in it, and we will give prizes for that also by first prize, second prize competition. Well prepared competition will be there, and that's all. We can make conduct our sports through online itself.
Thank you. That was a good question. And inshallah, we are planning to do making students into 4 groups and conducting as group base. And there will be also the category as juniors, seniors, sub juniors, and kiddies also. Thus, making children into group that will make them more attractive, and they want they thought that they want to become their group first, and they will be participating more and interesting more with that. For arts, we will be taking that platforms like Google, and we will be creating groups rooms in that. And also in sports, we are searching for the applications that are very attractive, and that there are many games that can be played online. Thank you.
I can play games like chess and Ludo, and in arts we can create a WhatsApp group, and you can tell anything to me. My daughter has want to sing that song in KG section like that. And that have we will give your daughter first and third prize.
In arts,
We are
many
also planning to do that off-stage programs like essay writing, drawing, coloring competition, and so on. That will be a great for that students are interested in arts. Inshallah, we are also will try that.
in sports, there are many applications to do in many easy games. In arts, we are conducting group space and Google in the.
And we can tell them to create a there, and like say them to create charts and take a photo, and we can in that we.
Okay, now let me have a privilege in asking one question to you, all the candidates. This is not a question. I'm just asking your help in opinion. See, nowadays in the online classes, the parents are struggling out, especially the mothers of the youngest children of our school, KG parents. Okay, I don't say that all the other parents are not doing, but all the parents are doing, especially the youngest children's parents are doing a lot for their children. And also it is a great help for our teachers also in making a complete framework of our education. So we are planning to give some kind of recognition to these parents. And can you please suggest us any ideas to give a recognition to these parents for their unconditional support to these children? Share your opinions.
If teachers ask any question to students, if they answer like KG section, if they answer a little word, then teacher can engage very well them, and because of that they have a confidence to say the answer. My answer is correct. Then I want to say that like that every student confident to tell answer. Then they answer that was very speedily.
Actually, sir, I think our parents are really working very hard nowadays for their own students. So I think mostly they will be there in kitchen work or any other work, but they will be helping for their students. They will be, especially I'm seeing in my own house, my own brother will be supported by parent or sister. So I think our best result, best thing to show them is their children's development. I think if a parent will get only a better happiness or better satisfaction if only their son or daughter is performing well. So we have to show that because of them they got their students, their children performing well, and that's why they are getting a success. So we have to show the result of their effort, because nowadays many of the parents now, we can see many parents are even in this program also to know which one is good for them, so their children, so they are doing a really hard work and great, and it must be appreciable also. So I think the result of their students in any cases must be shown as their satisfaction, and they will get a satisfaction. I think that. Thank you for asking.
And teachers can contact them personally to and encourage them and motivate them. You can say answer, you can switch on video like that. They will make a confident. That will make a confident in every student.
I request all other candidates also please share your opinion how to recognize our parents, how to give a recognition to our parents.
Actually, parents are taking really hard work for this. I'm appreciating now all the parents and especially the KG students, parents, KG first and second standard, or the newcomers in our school, because they are the first thing in LKG students. They are coming in newcomers, so they want to go to school. So feeling to experience the feeling of school actually. So if it's not possible, so student they want to in my home. What's happening is that my younger brother, if we want to give them support for reading newspaper itself, or Balarama, Kalikurka, some comics are there. They want to read from there one by one, letter by letter. So our parents, they will be somewhat very helpful for this will. So the students want not be asking recently many doubts for parents what this can read, what that can read like that. So they can read themselves if we study, if we teach them a very good manner, and students they also will be very happy if the teachers are encouraging them, if the parents are encouraging them, and the students they can develop by themselves, and by doing themselves is a better way. And we parents also they have to do many other works, especially mothers and fathers also. And I think students themselves from the KG itself they want to give some comics or something. They want to firstly we want to uh, teach them to lectures, then also then after that we want to give some small newspaper headlines, then comics. We want to ask them, you want to read this, and also by giving them photos, and what is that, what is this, asking by something, and if they're saying the right answer, then you want to mostly encourage them even more than before. Then if they are telling wrong, then just simply smile and saying that's not the correct answer. You want to encourage them if it is wrong or right, and then the student will be yeah, okay, I will next time I will be correcting that one, like that. So they want to, I'm saying that they want to read at least some books or something for themselves by yeah, and but by if they read all these letters, and by reading these comic newspapers, they can understand even more in if teachers are taking letters before they can read all these things. So parents are really really hardworking things all in this all manner. I am a I am a victor in this thing. So I'm also teaching my younger brother. In many cases, I was just a thing with a many patient and very calm. You want to do that, I can't do like that. So you want to appreciate every parents for their little brains things that they are doing a very little thing, but we want to appreciate them. Yeah, this is good. If you they're drawing draw something, yeah, that's a good thing you're drawn like that. So they will be very helpful for them.
I appreciate every parent who is taking, because nowadays our school is changed to home, and I I appreciate every parent that they are taking a good good steps, and we want to create an ambience of the school at home, because we can make pictures and many drawings that small vegetables we have no, our school have very cartoonish walls. Like that we can also paste some charts and that extra active posters that can improve their knowledge, and students can also seeing many times it in their range, they can also, they will be attracted to each that, and they will be uh, knowing to study what is it is, and they can be, it can create.
Actually, sir,
I
I think
appreciate.
I have a confusion that question. Because are you asking about what can we give to the parents back, or what can be given by parents? I think question something.
Yeah, both of you gave me the right answer. I mean, Rima and Rania, good answer. That was what I expected as an answer. Suggestions for us, the school management or us as a principal. For me, how to recognize, how to give a good recognition to our parents, those who are taking that much risk nowadays for making their children better generation.
Okay, sir.
Okay, over to Akil. I think he was planning something to say. Akil, are you there? Or Hadi? Akil?
And we can change the time of Google Meet for the parents. If the Google Meet is morning, then they are in kitchen, so they can't hear or look their daughters.
So based
We
on
can
their
change that
kitchen timing,
time.
yeah, I think nowadays based on their kitchen timing, we have just will be just starting by 10 o'clock only. I hope we didn't get any complaints or feedback from the parents regarding the change of timing. So if many more complaints are there, we will be just checking and rescheduling the timing for them. Okay, okay. So I think it is a time to wind up the program. I think CS, who is going to give a conclusion?
Wait. I have to show. You
Yes.
want to present something?
Should I
Nihal is
switch on
there?
Yes, yes.
should I turn on the
Okay.
presentation? Share screen
Yes.
option. Okay, you can do that now.
Nihal, you can start.
So as a conclusion, every candidate can come forward again and present your again. You can just give an introduction again. Yes.
So this is a demo of voting. How to vote.
Good.
Firstly, just type your name. and type your class. Then next, you can see so many candidates. You can vote what you who will you wish. So here it's my name. So just next, then you can see head boys. You can just click to the photos itself, then submit. This is the procedure of our e-voting. So every parents, you can see now how to vote. This is the procedure, simple demo. So you can vote this way. And next thing is our intentions, main intentions. I think this is our main intention of our school. Can you please zoom it? Okay, first one is our developing skills of students. And we want to develop our students that already mentioned students are the strength of school. So we want firstly develop our skills of students. Second one is innovate learning techniques that will help both teachers and students. Okay, we will develop more learning things, learning techniques, and that will help. That will help because for if both teachers and students, that will be easy, very easy for them. And third one is we will conduct our arts fest very well. If the weather is in online or offline, we will conduct it for our entertainment for students. Then fourth one is we will bring the ambience offline classes in online classes, and this is some of them. We will there are so many ideas. So this is some of them, and we will bring a maximum. We will bring to ambience of offline classes. I think that will not be possible very clearly, but we will try our best for doing this. And our symbols are a laptop. For head boy, this is laptop, and for head girl, this is umbrella. So you can vote now. This is our some small poster, and you can see that head boy Shahim and head girl me. So you can vote for us. His symbol is laptop, and mine is umbrella. So I hope you all will vote for us. You cast your vote for us, and that's it. Thank you for.
Yes.
Actually, sir, is
And
there
one
any chance for someone to have a conclusion for this program, like candidates, last
Yes.
words?
Yes, candidates last word. Is the time for that. Over to candidates. You can come forward and just give a conclusion.
Yeah, so actually, I'm very happy to see all our students, like little ones, very happily. They have performed very well. They showed all their fun activities, their happiness, everything. So I would like to remember one thing that we have to do every fun activities very happily in our online class also. If offline class, we can do it more better. So I hope you all will remember our simple cake. So a cake, everyone love cake. I think most of you love cake.
Yes.
Yes. Then our symbol is cake. So I hope all will vote for cake. So I am remembering one. I am reminding you one word, one code which I made. So if you are voting for a person who can make some changes, then you are making some changes. So I hope everyone will be trying for making some changes. So please vote for cake and bring better changes for better tomorrows. So thank you. Have a nice day.
Actually, I'm very surprised that by seeing all these students because they are all our little angels. That's a really gift from God. And I think I'm very excited on this KG section, especially KG section, because I don't know what happened. How I will explain them what's really voting, so that we conducted this demo voting things. So I think you all will vote for us, and my symbol is an umbrella. You will be reminding that one. And I'm Rima, and I'm from 10th standard, and you can vote for me. This is our last chance, so can please vote for us, and I hope you will cast your vote for the real ones.
I am Muhammad Shaheen, and all you know that I'm standing for the head boy position, and my symbol is laptop. And this is my last year in Najat, and hope you will be voting for me. Then You can, I will be there for you at any time. You can message me and I will be replying you and will give a positive reply inshallah. Thank you. Vote for me. Don't forget our symbol. My symbol is laptop and her is umbrella. Thank you.
And myself, here, Fatima, I am studying in 8th standard. And first of all, I am thanking every parent and student to find a time for us. And I am standing in the position of head girl, and my symbol is book. In this generation, we can't live with the book, and I think you get for me.
You all want to vote for me. My name is Muhammad Agil. My symbol is pen. Do not forget me. Vote for me.
Okay, sir, let us wind up the program. So I would like to invite Hiba Miss for vote of thanks.
Good afternoon, Najat. So, in this occasion, I thank our respected principal, sir, for giving such a wonderful chance for voting and all the participants of this meeting. Thank you all.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you all students, thank you all parents, and thank you all candidates for the e-voting 2020.
Thank you, sir.
All teachers of KG session. It was very nice session, and thank you for this.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for spending your valuable time with us. It was a nice session.
Bye bye.